This is the elevator at Queen's Hall. That kind of sucks. Anyways. Easy. Okay. All right, here we go. Yes, epilepsy warning. This light does not work well. Slow. I remember when this thing used to look green. Listen to it stop. Look at this call button. Kind of retrofitted on it. Used to be a key. And before we go up, I can look up the shaft. You can see, you can tell this is bottom drive. Anyways, I'm trying to get a picture of this panel because that's beautiful. All right, up to 3. This is, oh, you can actually, look at this. Wait, let me shine the light up there. You can see all the way up. That's actually a really good shot. I'll look at the cab. I'm sorry in advance for this light. Yeah, I tried doing something about that, but unfortunately, yeah. We'll do one more ride on this and then we're gonna call it a day. Of course, you got your beautiful Otis black buttons. This is the second one on this campus, at least. There you go. All right, we'll go back down to B. Let's actually, we're not gonna do that just yet. Let's we got here, I guess. I don't know. This thing is pretty darn slow, so. Oh, you can see the detectors for the shaft. Whatever that is up there. Kind of looks like a moon. Looks like it used to have provisions for another light, but they just never used it. They probably did at some point. I've seen this elevator before. It used to be like green. This floor is the same though, from when it was installed, but they just repainted this to make it have some character, which is nicely appreciated. Okay, I'm gonna try something here. Can I put my phone up top? Whoops, sorry, I accidentally stopped my recording. All right, let's watch up the shaft this time. sorry. Almost there. Get a nice direct shot to those detectors. About to level off. And there you go. You see those detectors in there? You can see the, there's the governor right there. And the bottom drive machine, of course, is in the basement. Again, your Otis black button fixtures. Magnetic. Is there an Otis plate anywhere? No. That's probably one of the drive machines. These are Otis doors. Anyways. Can't be too noisy. See, it's see that button? That's keyed off. And normally it's a common courtesy to close the door, but since it was left open, I'm gonna leave it here. So there it not goes, and that's it.